Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of using crypto, and why you should consider adding cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio. Security. One of the biggest benefits of using crypto is the enhanced security it provides. Unlike traditional payment methods, crypto transactions are decentralized and are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This makes it nearly impossible for hackers to tamper with or steal your funds, making crypto a much safer way to transact online. Lower transaction fees. Another benefit of using crypto is the lower transaction fees. Traditional payment methods often charge a percentage fee for every transaction, but with crypto, you can send and receive funds with minimal fees. This can save you a lot of money, especially if you frequently send money internationally. Increased accessibility. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to increase financial inclusion, especially for people who don't have access to traditional banking services. Anyone with an internet connection can access cryptocurrencies, and many platforms allow users to buy, sell, and trade with just a few clicks. Decentralization. Crypto is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any central authority like banks or governments. This gives users more control over their money and eliminates the need for intermediaries. It also makes crypto a more democratic form of money, as anyone can participate in its creation and use. Potential for high returns. Finally, one of the most compelling benefits of using crypto is the potential for high returns. Many cryptocurrencies have seen significant price increases over the past few years, and some investors have made huge profits by buying and holding these digital assets. In conclusion, crypto offers numerous benefits that make it an attractive option for anyone looking to invest or transact online. From enhanced security and lower transaction fees to increased accessibility and potential for high returns, crypto has a lot to offer. So, if you haven't already, consider adding cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio and start enjoying the benefits of this exciting new technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.